me here on YouTube, and if you like luxury, fashion, lifestyle videos, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another Chanel unboxing. This item, it was kind of like last minute that I kind of wanted this item, but I guess I've been seeing it a lot more like on YouTube and Instagram. I just thought it was a really overall good bag to just wear on the go, especially someone like me. I feel like I love crossbody bags where I can just like put my necessities in it and just kind of go and like not think about like anything else, like carrying like a huge bag. Also, side note with this video, if you guys are interested in the extensions that I'm currently wearing in this video, you should definitely check out the description box below where I have a link to the exact extensions that I'm wearing and also a code. I will insert it right here on the screen where you can use STEPHP to get 15% off of your order. This bag I ended up getting from the Chanel store. This, I guess, is considered like a classic piece, especially with the color that I got. So let me just go ahead and unbox it for you guys. I feel like every time I do these videos, the flower always comes off, but this is how she was when I got her. And basically right here, I just have my receipt. And let me go ahead and open her up. I feel like you guys can already tell what it is because the box is so small, but let's go ahead and open her up. Whoops, chain's already showing. I think this is just the care book, and that's pretty much all that was in this box. The little pouch. Ta-da! So yes, this bag is the wallet on chain bag with gold chaining. This one is in the caviar leather, which is really nice because I feel like I've mentioned before in my other videos where the lambskin can be very sensitive, but this one I feel like I don't have to worry about scratches or anything like that. And that's exactly why I was saying I definitely was aiming towards this bag, because it's definitely more of an on-go bag where I don't have to worry about or watch myself if I bump into something, or when I have long nails like this, I won't have to worry about it getting scratched. So let me just go ahead and open her up. That's pretty much everything. I still have like a little bit of plastic in there. But basically this is what the inside looks like. Absolutely love the burgundy interior. Then I have some card holders here. And then there's also a little zipper. And inside, oh, there's another piece of cardboard in here. That was the receipt. I mean the tag. And then this is pretty much just what the inside looks like. Also, as I've mentioned too, because this came out in 2022, now instead of getting the authenticity card, you kind of just have a chip now in the bag. So I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but there's a chip there. Also, of course, it has like the little zipper here. And apparently this zipper is very deep. Try it. Yeah, it actually goes like all the way to the bottom of the bag, so you can definitely hide whatever you want to hide in there. I'm pretty sure the backstory to that is, you know, the classic double flaps have this as well, and Chanel always wanted to have her love notes in there, so cute little story behind that. But let me just go over like the pros and cons of this bag. Kind of like I already mentioned, the pros is definitely that this is caviar leather, so I don't have to worry about scratches or anything like that. And then I think another pro is also the length of this. So I think I will model it for you guys later, but keep in mind that I am 5'9", but I feel like this is a good crossbody that kind of lays nicely on me. I definitely don't want a crossbody that's too long, but I feel like, especially with where I live, it does get cold more than half of the year. So I always usually have like a lot of layers. So I kind of hate when straps are too short because then like it's just so uncomfortable to have like that heavy jacket or like those sweaters. So I think this was like honestly the perfect length for me. Another pro that I like too is just overall the golds with the black. Like I am such a sucker for golds and black. I feel like that's definitely something that you will see most of the time in my wardrobe. So overall I just really like the color of this bag. As far as cons, I feel like I honestly don't really have that many. Maybe I kind of wish that it didn't have the card holders here, because mostly for me I probably won't be using that. So I'll probably just like have my like coin purse or like card holder and just put it in here anyway. And I'm trying to think of like other cons. I think also another thing that I might do, just because of the bottom of this bag, I might get egg shaper. I have seen people online how there's like a small little bag shaper, because as you guys can already tell, it's a little like indented in the middle here. So I kind of want to have it flat, especially when I display it in my room, so that way it won't really like ruin the bottom of this bag. But yeah, I gotta say I don't really have that many cons. Obviously I just got it, so maybe the more I use it, the more I will have cons. So if you guys have any questions about it, the more I use this, definitely leave the link down below, because I feel like by the time I post this it would have been already a couple weeks or so that I've used this bag, so maybe I have a little bit more ideas as far as cons. I think the next thing that I'm just going to show you guys is that I have a bunch of stuff right next to me, and these are just the usual essentials that I would put in my bag. So I kind of just want to see as far as how much can fit in this bag. So the number one thing for me, I feel like is definitely a pro, is if my phone can fit in the bag. So I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm just going to go ahead and see if this fits. So wow, that is a perfect fit. I even have like enough space still a little bit, actually no, not really on the sides, but definitely like still can fit stuff behind it. But yeah, I feel like the phone alone will take up most of this bag, but still that's really nice. Next, let's see the pouch that I was talking about. So I usually carry around my Gucci key pouch, or sometimes I'll have the Louis Vuitton key pouch. Maybe that one would be better because I feel like the Louis Vuitton one is a little bit slimmer, but yikes, I don't know if this is gonna, okay. Fits nicely. Maybe I would take out some of my keys on this, but still, that is definitely snugged in there, as you can tell. So I have a little bit more space, like if I want to fill it a little bit more at the top. So another essential that I usually have is my chapstick. Let's see if I can put that on the side. Yeah, that fits on the side like that. Maybe even like, I wonder if I was to like hang my keys like that. I don't know if that looks bad. Yikes. But let's see if that way, if I actually have more space now. So I think another thing that I always carry around is my Purell. Definitely need that right now. So that fits snug when I put the keys on the side like that. And I don't know if my lotion will fit in here. It's not really looking like it. Yeah, I don't know, unless I keep it like here on the top. I could just do that and just lay it here on the top. But as far as that, I think this is pretty filled to the max. Let me see if I can even just put my keys still in here and close it. So no, I cannot like put my keys in there and close it. But if I do leave it dangling like I had it before, let's see if it closes. Yeah, it closes. This is pretty full. The only thing I will say is I guess it's pretty heavy now with all the stuff that I have in here. As far as essentials, I think the only thing that I didn't get a chance to wear is my sunglasses, but you know, most of the time I have sunglasses in my car, or I just like leave it on my head, so not the biggest of a deal, but it can't fit in my bag. But I don't know how I feel about my keys kind of just dangling there, so let me see if I were to take something out. So maybe if I didn't carry my lotion, and maybe took out my Purell, it would fit better. Yeah, that actually works out. So I can still fit my chapstick, my cell phone, and my coin pouch. It all fits in there, and it still closes fine. It's not bad. I feel like even if I really wanted to, I could just lay the Puro on top like this if I really wanted to, but I feel like that's just like stuffing it to the max, and like I said, it's getting a little heavy. So honestly, maybe when I am using this, I won't use my key pouch. Maybe I will just use the wallet that's built in here. I guess it's not the biggest of deal. Overall, I feel like I really like this purse. The material is amazing, the quality is amazing. So I definitely think it's worth your money. And as far as just Chanel purses in general, you know, prices always go up every year. So I would genuinely say if you've had a Chanel bag on your wish list for quite some time, I would just go ahead and just rip the band-aid and buy it now, because prices will just keep going up and up. So I would say prioritize your Chanel bags that you want first before other bags. Even though the other bags like Louis Vuitton and Dior do have price increases, at least it's not as drastic as Chanel. As far as this bag in general, in getting it, I kind of want to say I don't think you can just like waltz on into the store and kind of just get this bag. I believe there is a wish list. I believe there is a wait list on this one. So in order for me to have gotten this bag, I actually had to reach out to my essay and kind of get on a wait list for it. I did mention this in my previous unboxing where I did the mini classic rectangle Chanel bag. I would advise, if you really want to get your hands on this, I would advise trying to be on the reserve list right before like they're about to release their new season bags, because that's when you're probably going to get your best bet, because they're going to be constantly getting shipment. So it's either going to be the new bags that are released in that season, or the old classic bags coming out again. So that was definitely my best bet for this one. I honestly didn't have to wait that long, especially since I was already waiting on the reserve list for the classic rectangle mini Chanel bag. So honestly, I think it literally just took like about 4 weeks and I was able to get a text message already from my essay saying that they had the bag in store. So that was really exciting. So now I think I'm just going to show you guys some model shots of me trying this on. All that I have for you guys in this video. If you guys have any questions or want to leave a comment down below seeing more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye!